Okay, I want one.
Okay, so to payment, just so you can see how it works.
What? Oh, to payment?
Mm-hmm. So, oh my gosh, Dad, look how much money you have sitting in this account.
Is that my cashback that I've earned?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
$115?
Yeah.
And this is my credit card.
Yeah, no, yeah, if you want to pay with your credit card so you get your rewards points. Though, look, you can buy vouchers with $115 of credit. So, Office Depot, or well, I guess they were sold out, though, if you go to Home Depot or all of those.
Huh.
Look at that. You have $115.
Did you know I had that?
No! I mean...
What's this thing here?
That's showing you the different process. So, see, you chose the place. Now you have to go through to pay for it.
That's a place?
Yeah, that's a place.
And that's the e-voucher. And what's this? Credit card?
Payment method. That's where you're on right now. So you'd have to choose how are you going to pay to buy this IHOP.
Oh.
So, and now we just found out, look at all that nice credit you have. So yeah, just cancel. So when you decide, so any of the big box merchants, that's where you use the gift card to buy it. So the credit won't help you at the local place, though at the local place you need to show your cashback card. So do you see that circle on the bottom?
Mm-hmm.
So click that. Oh, well, that's just to look at the merchant. Oh, now if you click under deals, you'd be able to see the different shopping point deals. There you go. So Miss Sprinkles over there could use something.
So this means $10. It would be $15, but their deal is $10.
Yep. So you exchange, there you go. So if you want to exchange half of a shopping point for that deal, then you can go get...
Where's my shopping points?
I'll show that you there. What you have, I'm sure you have those if you have credit, though. Yeah, you don't need to grab one right now, but that's how you grab the deal. So then when you go in, you'd only pay $10 for nail grinding for Miss Sprinkles' toenails over there. And then the cool part is you actually still get your loyalty benefits on that. So if you pay $10, you're still going to get cash back and then accumulate more points on that $10 too.